Hey, I'm Brian. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Oak Acre Metalworks. This is going to be my first video. We're working on a flatbed for this Tacoma right here. You can see the bed's already off of it, but I do have some footage of that, so I'll show you that process here to start with. And we're going to build a flatbed for this Tacoma. Basically, the beds on these things are really small. Just trying to make it a little bigger, be able to utilize it a little better. Turn this truck into a hunting rig, really. Mount a dog box on here, so we'll have some things on the bed to mount a dog box to. So it'll be a little different than some other flatbeds, but basically it'll be about 6 foot by 6 foot, and we're gonna go through the whole process here on my YouTube channel. This will be my first series of videos, and just getting started. So any comments or anything to help me, let me know. I'm not a professional welder. I'm a hobbyist, so I really enjoy welding, but I'm not the best. But I can make some decent welds, but they're not always the best. So I may have to grind some out and redo them, but I'll make sure it's solid. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll get started on. We'll go to the footage of removing the bed. Me and my brother did this a couple weeks ago. Now we're taking the filler neck off.
Yeah, something to push on it with. It's loose for now. I guess we're saving all these bolts, huh?
We need to get underneath and get all those clips off. This will be the last thing. We need to put that right back on.
Actually get spread out.
So basically you take a bolt off and then you just push the filler neck through and it comes right off. Pretty easy. Yeah, that's what I think. Let's see. I think that's the best way to do it because that's only 4.5. This bed is 64 or more. I think it's like, man, that's more. You get that way? Okay, we're about to take that off now. Put it on the trailer. Back up, we got it back. Good.
Okay. You want to just lift the front up and try to come back a little bit? Oh, this thing's really not too bad. Stuck on the bumper.
What are we on? Stuck on the bumper?
Yeah.
Or the gas thing?
Not on the bumper. Oh, maybe it is the gas. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Let's go. Ready to set it down or?
Step over. You okay? Let's set it down. Let's just set it down. Break the neck.
It's hot too.
We need to slide it forward or?
Are we centered up on the
trailer? Yeah. No, I just got stretched out.